Okay, what's up YouTube? My name is Lau and this is Extra Long Shorts. So for today's episode, I got a special treat for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys what it's like when I'm shooting for a client. Giving you guys a little bit of insight of how it is that I get clients and what I do to prepare for it when I'm, when I'm about to go do a shoot. And hopefully you guys can take notes. If you see something that's helpful, comment down below. And I'm not going to drag this intro out like I normally do. Also, just make sure you hit that subscribe button. And for those of you who already subscribed, turn on notifications. We're trying to hit that 1,000 sub mark before the end of the summer. And I can smell it. It's almost here. It's right around the corner. So with that being said, let's get into it. Recently, what I've been doing is doing a lot of cold calling in order to trying to get more, retainer clients. Getting clients on retainer is like one of the steps you need to take in order to scale your business. In order to create a stable form of revenue, having retainer clients is what's gonna get you closer to that step. And once you get closer to having a stable source of income from this side hustle here or your business, the closer you get from pushing away from your 9 to 5. You know what I mean? And that's the ultimate goal. I want you to be able to push away from your 9 to 5 because I wasn't meant to be. I'm not a worker. I'm a boss. I'm a boss in the most literal sense. I have the spirit and heart of an entrepreneur, and I'm gonna get it by any means necessary. If I can make it easier for you guys along the way, I will. If you've been following me on social media platforms, you've been seeing I've been posting content about getting clients and the process behind it. Longtime viewers of the channel know that outside of doing YouTube, I also have a digital content agency business where I create photos, videos, things of that nature for local businesses and online entities, as well as other social media influencers. Between that and YouTube, that's how I kind of plan to, get away from the 9 to 5 grind. Before the day of the shoot, what I like to do is draft a shot list. And I'm pretty sure for those of you who've done this type of work, if you know what a shot list is, but I do it a little differently. I add my own little tweaks to it. So instead of doing it literally shot by shot by shot, I group it into shot groups. So shot group A, shot group B, shot group C, right? And it helps me break down the progression of the ad. So basically the shot list, it goes a long way for helping you organize your thoughts for the day of the shoot. Right now I'm here in front of Flower City Kicks. We stayed up last night to get our shot list, and I'm gonna go ahead and start filming. So now that we're going in the store, we want to make sure that we are getting rid of any sort of jitters, because remember, we got our shot list, we have a plan, and it's time to execute. There's no reason to be nervous whatsoever, because it's not for nothing that we spent all that time doing cold calls, going door to door, positioning ourselves up in our services, and interacting with these people face to face. And that's good practices. Now, before you go start shooting all willy-nilly, you need to go ahead and take stock of what you got. Now, depending on the type of shot you're going for, you want to pull out the corresponding gear. Also, take this time to make sure that you got your memory cards going, the cap is off your lens, and you can go ahead and you're using the proper lens as well. That's important. This is a very tight shot, so you want to make sure you got something like a wide angle lens so you can capture the shot in all its glory. Mind you, for this shot I was using my DJI Mini 3 to catch those smooth moving shots, my Ronin RS2 to get those smooth pan shots, things like that. And I was even using my iPhone 15 Pro Max as well to get certain angles. And when you see the end product, you'll be really able to see the difference, how I blend those shots together to seamlessly transition into one another. Each tool serves a purpose, you know what I mean? And it's like you want to use these tools with intention and not just kind of like use it because you can, use it because you need to. This is something that you should really take to heart when you're filming these commercials for your clients, because again, they're going to be putting this up on their social medias and their websites, and obviously they want to make sure that they're represented in the most positive of light. The main purpose of the deal is to get your foot in the door in order to secure long-term collaboration with local businesses, as well as adding and diversifying your portfolio. The deal goes as following. I come in, I offer clients a free video to promote on their businesses, as well I offer a free video to help them promote their businesses on social media as well as their own website. And if it helps increase engagement or foot traffic, or they just like the video in general,
then we could come back and strike an actual deal. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Free? Yeah, we're not really supposed to be giving away free work. Yes, I understand. Free work is usually taboo, but I'm in the camp that so long as you're getting something out of it as well, it's not necessarily free. In both parties benefit. What else are you supposed to do when you keep on getting no's left or right, and you don't even have you haven't even made a connection or a network, or haven't even gotten numbers? Like, what are you genuinely supposed to do? At least this way you get to walk away with a potential future client, as well as a chance to add to, if not diversify, your portfolio. At the end of this deal, you'll walk away with one of the following things: a new client or more work added to your portfolio. Now, with all the pleasantries out of the way, we went behind the scenes. I showed you how I film, how I set up, shared a couple tips. Hopefully this served as some motivation to get you off your butt and go out there to the community and make some dollars. I'm going to play the videos in the order of the short form video, and then right after it is going to be the long form. And be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching all the way to the end, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Also, thanks for 400 subscribers, guys. We're on our way. Peace.